Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a simple C++ program and how to execute it. In the last video, you saw how to install the nano and clang packages and also how to execute a simple C program. So now, in this video, you are going to see how to execute a simple C++ program. So basically, C++ introduces object-oriented programming language feature to C. It offers classes which provide the four features commonly present in OOPs: abstract, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So now it's time to create a simple C++ program. I am going to just type nano new.cpp. CPP is an inbuilt extension of C++ program. So now it's going to open up the editor. Next, typing the program /include iostream.h. So iostream.h consists of header files which are used in C++ program. And next, typing int main, opening and closing flower bracket, then pressing enter, std cout, and next hello, I am CPT. Ending the program by typing std and l. So this is a small C++ program. I am going to save the file by typing Ctrl+O and then pressing enter. And next, to exit editor, typing Ctrl+X, enter. Now coming back to my termX, I am going to compile my program by typing clang new.cpp. I am going to use ++ because it's a CPP program. Okay, it has successfully compiled. And next, typing ./a.out. It's an output file of an C++ program. Okay, here comes the hello, I am CPT. So this is how you can create a simple C++ program in your Android termX. You can make use of this and create bigger programs which can be used to create a MP3 player or any other applications. So that's all in this video. Thank you.